Okay, hey guys, it's Aura Gaming here. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of this JBL Tune 110 headphones. So first let me open this little tape. You have to wait. You will see nothing, but you have to wait for me to open the tape. So yeah, sorry. Second one. Great. There. Okay. So this is the Tune 110 headphones. JBL by Harman. Wait 1 second. Sorry again. Let me just open the box. Oh, nice. Oh, sweet. Okay, anyways. This thing. These are the real headphones. Yeah, here they are. And they do have like a mic installed. This is the mic part, and this is the cables. These are the real headphones. So yeah, I will be doing a part 2 on this after some time. So yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe. I know this was a short video, so like and subscribe, and we'll do a part 2.